A very good morning to all my lovely kids. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am your Reena ma'am. And today in numeracy space we will learn numbers from 41 to 50. But before that we will quickly revise numbers from 0 to 40. Numbers from 0 to 40. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30, 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3, 9, 39, 4, 0, 40. After revising numbers from 0 to 40, now let us learn numbers from 41 to 50. Numbers from 41 to 50. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. Kids, now we will write numbers from 41 to 50 in our workbook. Kids, you have to write numbers from 41 to 50 in your maths workbook, page number 95. Kids, here I have written today's date, that is 1/8/18.1.2121. Numbers from 4141 to 5050. So let's start. First of all, we will write here number 4141. 4141. Now we will write number 4242. Next number is 4343. Now we will write number 4444. Next number is 4545. 4646. 4747. 4848. 4949. 5050. Once again, let's write the same. 4141. 4242. 4343. 4444. 4545. 4646. 4747. 4848. 4949. 5050. Kids, in this way you have to write numbers from 41 to 50 in your workbook. Kids, you have to write numbers from 41 to 50 in your maths homework, page number 38. Kids, after writing numbers from 41 to 50 in our workbook, let us do an exercise of after numbers in our workbook. Kids, you have to write after numbers in your maths workbook, page number 97. Kids, first of all, we will write here today's date, that is 1/8.1.2121 after number 41 to 50. First of all, which number is this? Yes, 4343. आफ्टर नंबर मीन्स होता है किसी भी नंबर के बाद में आने वाला नंबर. दिस इज नंबर 4343. तो 43 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? यस, 4444. सो वी विल राइट हियर नंबर 4444. नाउ विच नंबर इज दिस? 4242. 42 के बाद यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा? आफ्टर 42 विच नंबर विल कम हियर? यस, 4343. सो वी विल राइट हियर नंबर 4343. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट नंबर. दिस इज नंबर 4141. आफ्टर 41 विच नंबर विल कम हियर? 41 के बाद यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा? यस, 4242. सो वी विल राइट हियर नंबर 4242. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट नंबर. यस, दिस इज नंबर 4646. आफ्टर 46 विच नंबर विल कम हियर? 46 के बाद यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा? यस, 4747. आफ्टर 46 47 will come. So we will write here number 4747. Now this is number 4949. After 49 which number will come here? 49 के बाद यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Yes, यहाँ पर आएगा 5050. So we will write here number 5050. Now let's move on to next number. This is number 4545. After 45 which number will come here? Number 45 के बाद यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Yes, 46. So we will write here 46. 45 के बाद 46 आएगा. After 45, 46 will come. Now, let's move on to next number. This is number 4444. 44 के बाद यहाँ कौन सा नंबर आएगा? After number 44, which number will come here? Yes, 45. So we will write here number 4545. After 44, number 45 will come. Now next number is 4747. After 47, we will write here which number? Yes, 4848. 4848. Kids, you have to write after numbers in your maths homework, page number 40. Now kids, let's do an exercise of between numbers in our workbook. Kids, you have to write between numbers in your maths workbook, page number 99. Kids, first of all we will write here today's date, that is 1/8/1.2121. Between number 41 to 50. Between number means number that comes between two numbers. So let's start. This is number 4444 and this is number 4646. So tell me kids, which number is missing here? 44 और 46 के बीच में यहाँ कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Yes, 4, 5, 45. So we will write here number 4, 5, 45. Now let's see next numbers. This is number 4, 1, 41 and this is number 4, 3, 43. 41 और 43 के बीच में यहाँ कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 41, 42, 43. Yes, so we will write here number 4, 2, 42. Let's see next numbers. This is number 4, 3, 43 and this is number 4, 5, 45. So which number will come here? 43 और 45 के बीच में यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Yes, 4, 3, 43, 4, 4, 44, 4, 5, 45. So we will write here number 4, 4, 44. Now this is number 4, 8, 48, 50, 50. Now which number will come here? Between 4, 8, 48 and 50, 50. बहुत अच्छे बच्चों. Yes, 4, 8, 48, 4, 9, 49, 50, 50. So we will write here number 4, 9, 49. Now next number is 4, 7, 47, 4, 9, 49. Now which number will come here? 47 और 49 के बीच में यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 48. Very good. 4, 7, 47, 4, 8, 48, 4, 9, 49. 4, 8, 48. Now next number is 4, 6, 46, 4, 8, 48. और now यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 46, 47, 48. Very good. So we will write here number 4, 7, 47. Next number is 4, 5, 45, 4, 7, 47. Now which number will come here? Between 4, 5, 45 and 4, 7, 47. 4, 5, 45, 4, 6, 46, 4, 7, 47. Very good. So we will write here number 4, 6, 46. Next number is 4, 2, 42, 4, 4, 44. Now which number will come here? Between 4, 2, 42 and 4, 4, 44. Yes, 4, 3, 43. 4, 2, 42, 4, 3, 43, 4, 4, 44. Kids, you have to write between numbers in your maths homework page number 42. Kids, I hope with the help of this session, you have learned how to write numbers from 41 to 50 in your workbook. Take care kids, keep smiling. Bye bye.